Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make YouTube 1080p by default on Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I found the best way to do this is to add an extension. So this extension is called YouTube Auto HD plus FPS. So do a search into extensions. Then from here, go ahead and click on Add to Chrome. Now it's going to say, would you like to add extension? Click on add extension. If you don't know how to get to the Chrome web store, just come on over, click on the three dots, click on to where is extensions, and then visit the Chrome web store and search that. Okay, so once that's done, we want to go ahead and click onto that extension. So YouTube Auto HD plus FPS. Now from here, this is where we can set it automatically to 1080p. So go ahead and set your preferred video quality and then enable the option automatically apply to the selected quality. Then we can come over to YouTube and play any video and it's going to automatically be set to 1080p. So I just came over here, it didn't set it. So what I might need to do, I might need to refresh my browser. Press play